Welcome back to BLUETTI Support. Today we'll show you how to set up the HV10K and HB500 system. Before we begin, a quick reminder. Make sure this installation is performed by qualified professionals and follow all safety instructions. Now let's get started. First, make sure you've got all the components and everything looks good. Grab any tools and accessories you'll need. And confirm that your installation space meets the requirements. All set? Let's dive in. We'll start with the HB500 battery packs. You can mount them on the wall or just place them on the floor. In this video, we're wall mounting 3 units. Take off the bracket B. Use a level to align the bracket. Mark your drilling spots. Then drill and secure it using M8 expansion bolts. Repeat these steps for the other 2 brackets, spacing them 600 mm apart. Hang the batteries on the brackets and make sure they click in securely. Tighten the screws on the sides of the batteries. If you're doing a floor-mounted setup, just follow the steps in the user manual. Now the HV10K inverter. Remove the screws and take off the bottom cover. Here comes the most important part. Make sure the emergency stop switches on all HB500 units are off, and all power sources are disconnected. Connect the grounding cables first to ensure proper grounding for all units. Then open the battery terminal covers. Now, connect the black power cable to the negative terminal on the HB500 and tighten it securely. Connect the other end to the negative battery terminal on the HV10K and tighten it as well. Connect the red power cable to the positive terminals on both units. Connect this battery to the other 2 in parallel. Remove the tabs from the top covers, then reinstall the covers. Next, connect the communication cables. Plug the to inverter end into the BMS communication port on the HV10K, and the to battery end into the PCS communication port on the HB500. Then link the batteries by connecting link out to link in. Take a moment here to double check all connections, they should be tight and correct. Before connecting the AC input, install an AC circuit breaker between the HV10K and your main inverter panel. Strip about 10 mm of insulation from the AC input cables. Connect the grounding cable first, then live and neutral. Next, connect the AC output cables in the same order. The HV10K has 2 AC outputs, so wire both if you need to. Finally, wire the solar modules. Install a DC circuit breaker first. The inverter supports 2 PV strings. Follow the panel specs. Use 10 to 12 AWG cables, and strip 11 to 13 mm of insulation. Insert the cables into the PV inputs with the correct polarity, and lock them securely. Once all connections are verified, put the bottom cover back on. Now press the on-off switch to start the inverter. Then set the emergency stop switches on all batteries to on. Press and hold the power button on one HB500 for 1 second. It powers on and the other batteries start up automatically. When the inverter's status and charging indicators turn green, the system is operating normally. That's it. Your HV10K and HB500 system is ready. Check the manuals or contact BLUETTI support if you need more help. Thanks for watching and see you next time.